Hey guys, it's Cooking with Luigi. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make scrambled eggs. The ingredients we'll need is eggs, how much you would ever like, cooking spray, milk, salt and pepper, butter, and bowl, frying pan, butter knife, and fork. So first, what I want to do is we're going to set it to 6 degrees. Maybe we should double check to make sure we have it on 6. Now what you're going to want to do is get your cooking spray and spray it. So your whole meal doesn't stick to the frying pan. Try to make sure it's at 6. I can't tell. Okay, there we go. Hold the frying pan, shake it. Oh, my hands. Now put it down. So you don't need this crap anymore. Okay, so now. Trying to get my camera good. So now you're gonna get your butter. Don't put too much. Put it on the pan. Now just swerve it around. Once you have it take out most of the pan, put it in the middle. Now, we're going to get a bowl. Get your eggs. You're going to want to crack them. Now, I used to suck at cracking eggs. Get another. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands real quick because this is disgusting. It's always satisfying cracking eggs. Now, you want to get your salt, your pepper, and your milk. First, we're going to put the salt. Don't put too much. I don't think that got any. There we go. Now your pepper. There we go. Now you're going to add your milk. Don't put too much. Put a little more. No, they don't call it scrambled eggs for nothing. What you're going to have to do is get your fork and scramble them. To turn into a yolky mess. Now make sure it's all scrambled. Put your fork around and make sure there's no big eggs. Now we're going to go back over to the... Now we're going to pour it. Now since the stove is already heated up, get your fork. And we move it around. We're going to lower the temperature. Wait a minute, I had it on high. There we go. Now as you can see the eggs start to form. This is also a super satisfying part. Now Mario's a fat slob, so I had to make this for him. Still love my brother, but he does need to lose some weight. Now that you want to like cut lines through it, or do that, so your scrambled eggs are in pieces. Now you're gonna flip. Careful, guys. There's a hot stove. So you can see the bottom are brown. Sometimes they can be brown or sometimes they can be dark yellow. Okay, now turn your stove off. Voila, you made some scrambled eggs. Now get your plate. Get a plate. Get your spatula and your pan and start scooping it off. It off. I kind of like my scrambled eggs golden. Sometimes I don't put them golden. Put them on low if you don't want them golden. So now, this is the very part to be safe. Get your frying pan. Submerge it in cold water. As you can see, some steam. Sometimes it can be smoking. Get a piece of crap. Okay, so that's how you make scrambled eggs, guys. Oh wait, are we missing something? Yes, we need goldfish crackers. Just kidding. We need a sandwich. I like making sandwiches with my scrambled eggs. Mario does too. Mario is NEINTENDO's favorite character. The owner of this channel. Okay, I'll get a piece of bread. I don't want the ends. Voila, that's how you make the scrambled eggs. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.